Rava Dosa or Utappa. For ingredients, please check the description. And for return recipe, you can comment down below. We'll send you a copy. The main ingredient here is semolina. We have added some rice flour and corn flour and add all-purpose flour to it too. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Just a pinch will do. Black pepper will give it a flavor. It is mixed whole spices grounded into a powder. Salt to balance it all. To this, we have added a little bit of curd to bring the tanginess in the batter. Then you can add water. 1 full glass will do. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Make the batter thin so you can pour it easily and it turns out crisp. We have taken some chopped onions, tomatoes, capsicum and chillies. That's our batter. We are ready to make our utappas. There are 2 ways you can make this utappa. First one is you oil the hot tawa or pan. Pour the batter and add all the condiments above it. Pretty much like dosa, but it has different ingredients and it's really quick to make. You have to cover it with any plate so that it gets cooked from all sides. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can flip it. It for more time to make it crispier. That is better. This is the first type, and for the second type you can add the condiments whichever you have directly into the batter and mix them well and then pour the batter on the pan. You have to make sure the tawa is oiled properly to cook it well. Then cover it up. You can make this batter and use it for a day or 2 as long as the ingredients stay. Look at the crispy edges. They taste wonderful. It is quick and yummy snack. You can just make it up in few minutes and you'll be fulfilled, satisfied even. You can serve it with some dip or chutney. For the recipe of the dip, you can check our channel or you can comment down below. We'll share the recipe. Thanks for watching.